Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Honda CR-V. Presenting the Honda CR-V, the distinctive small SUV that does it all in premium style. From its high-end feel to its all-weather capability and sophisticated comfort, this sleek crossover will delight you on every adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, dual-zone AC, power driver seat, alarm, heated front seat, aluminum wheels. Give yourself the upgrade you deserve. Get into the Honda CR-V and drive well. We'll put you behind the wheel today.